the most compact, travel-friendly wireless charger. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today I'll show you a compact wireless charger which I'm going to take for my Thailand trip. So what happened, I have been using this for a while. This is a wireless charger, but the problem with this is that this is not travel friendly because you can see the shape or the size. This is very hard to put it in your carry-on or backpack. I travel with only one luggage, so this is not user friendly or travel friendly. So I decided to get something a little bit better, and then I came across this Spigen Power Arc wireless charger. So now this is really lightweight and very small, and it has even 15-watt charging capability, which is not bad. Usually if you are buying other wireless charger, they're about 10 watts, sometimes could be even 5 watts, and this is also very lightweight. So if you take a look at some of the specs here, you can see that this is only 2.2 ounce, which is really negligible weight, and if you're traveling, this is perfect to carry. So this is 63 gram or 2.2 ounce, and in terms of dimensions, it's 72 times 72 times 11.75 millimeter, or 2.83 times 0.4, or you can say half inch, which is really good size and shape for travel purposes. So let's quickly open this box and see what we have inside and how it looks. This type of packaging, whenever I try to open, usually they get they're not intact anymore. So we have here, looks like there's a brochure, and I'm just going to put it in here. And we have a card. This is kind of business card for help if you need something. And then what is this here? So this is just a kind of manual or brochure. And then we have the most efficient power. This is just GAN technology, which gives you fast charging with very minimal weight. And this looks like to an advertisement for something else, so I'll just put it here. And this is the charger. We have it here, and actually it looks like they attached a cable, so which is the USB-C cable, and looks like high quality. So I found out that I actually have their product, my cell phone case and the cover for the screen or screen protector by the same company, Spigen. I even didn't know. So after buying this, I found out that I have their product, and looks like their products are very good quality. And this is not a paid or affiliated review. So let's take it out right here, and you can see that this is incredibly small, lightweight, and handy and travel friendly. So if you want to compare, just take a look at these different sizes. This is an incredibly good shaped and size, and in order to charge your phone, you have to just put it your phone like this, and that should do the job. Now definitely this is good for travel, because I got used to using wireless charger, and I don't want going back and forth putting USB-C on my phone. So that's why I was looking for a portable wireless charger, and I think this is the lightest and the smallest one I could find. And the price range is about $40 to $50 Canadian, but time to time they go on sale, and you may be able to pick up one for like $30 Canadian. So comparing what I paid and what I got, really I'm happy with the product, and looks like it's very well made. I cannot complain about anything. Our pad here to prevent slipping on the surface, and then here this also looks like high quality material. So this is the Spigen Power Arc Field wireless charger, and this is the most efficient and travel friendly wireless charger probably on the market. For the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.